Get your whole head, you silly bum.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, go.
Show my face. Circles and cycles and seasons. For everything there's always reasons, but it's never good if it turns out as it should. And no one ever held you, no single moment of truth. But if you were mine, I looked into your eyes and said, to Heavenly Father, may I ask you a question? Is this really God's plan, or is it just a life lesson? When you take a life away, God forbid that that's a blessing, and you got nowhere to run, so you start reminiscing. I've really missed her, why can't you just bring her back? It's been about 2 years, I don't know how to act. It's really hard when I think about the day, trying to do right by you and make the pain go away. I've been trying to show my love. Know that she's okay, she's an angel up above. She shines every day, wish I could give her a hug. I can see it in his eyes, really white, slow as blood. Try my very hardest not to ever get aggressive. No one understands, I don't see from my perspective. And in everything I do, yeah, I do it to my bestest. Hope she listens close and I hope she gets this message. Really wish I never had to stand over her grave. Sometimes I break down just because I heard her name. She was my baby sister, age 1, she was my main. And ever since she passed, I knew nothing was the same. Sometimes I sit and think, could this all be just a dream? But it's a harsh reality and things ain't what they seem. Wish I could just see you and I wonder how you've been. Missing you the most, feel the chills up on my skin. Knowing you in heaven kind of always makes me wonder, do you ever watch your family? Do you see them going under? But you know that we'll be good, I'm just waiting for the thunder. Still your older sister and you know I'm gonna love you. Circles and cycles and seasons. For everything there's always reasons, but it's never good, never turns out as it should. And no one ever held you, no single moment of truth.